Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we test the hype and expose the truth behind trending products and websites. Today, we're talking about the Airvax Vacuum Cleaner. It claims 45 KPA powerful suction, 60 minutes battery life, works on all surfaces, and is lightweight and easy to maintain. But is Airvax really worth your money, or just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the biggest claim, 45 KPA suction power. Now, 45 KPA sounds impressive. For comparison, many premium cordless vacuums range between 20 to 40 KPA. So if this claim is true, that's powerful. But here's the catch. Many online brands advertise peak suction numbers under perfect lab conditions, not real-life usage. Always check if that power drops significantly on battery mode. Next, multi-surface cleaning. Hardwood, tiles, carpets. Most modern cordless vacuums can handle this. The real question is, does it adjust suction automatically? Or do you have to switch modes manually? Cheap models often struggle on thick carpets. Now the 60-minute battery life claim. Important detail, this usually applies to the lowest power mode. On maximum suction, many cordless vacuums last only 15 to 25 minutes. So if you're cleaning a large home, battery performance matters. They also promote it as lightweight and portable, which is great for stairs, cars, and corners. That's definitely a plus if true. And finally, bagless design with washable parts. This is pretty standard today. It saves money on replacement bags, but check if replacement filters are easily available. Before buying Airvax, here are a few things you should check. Is the website newly created? Are there real customer reviews outside their own website? Do they list a real company address and customer support number? Are they offering massive, limited-time discounts? If the vacuum is priced extremely low compared to well-known brands offering similar specs, that could be a red flag. Also, check return and warranty policies carefully. Some online-only brands make returns very difficult. So, is Airvax Vacuum Cleaner worth buying? If the specifications are genuine and the company is transparent, it could be a decent budget cordless vacuum. However, if the website lacks verified reviews, clear warranty information, or proper contact details, then it might be better to stay cautious. My advice? Do your research. Compare with trusted brands. Don't buy just because of flashy ads and big suction numbers. If you've already purchased Airvax, share your experience in the comments to help others. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because here at Online Scam Advisor, we expose the hype before you waste your money. See you in the next review. Thank you.